Hello, my friends. How's everybody doing out there in the YouTube world? Welcome back, or welcome to the Goofy Bastard channel. We're going to roll that intro and we'll get into it. So today is February 12th. That's right, Super Bowl weekend. And in all reality, I don't give a shit. I think I said that last year during Super Bowl too, but even more so now. I am from the Philadelphia area, but I could care less about the Eagles. And I know that's going to trigger some people out there that are in my area that do watch football and root for the Philadelphia Eagles. So, sorry for your luck. So anyway, it is a balmy 40-something degrees. It's probably like 44 degrees and overcast. It's kind of hoping to be a little bit more sunnier out here to do my errands. But, whatever. I'm out here on a bike. It's been a month or so since I've been out here. Been a couple minutes since I've actually put out a video. So yeah, so during this Super Bowl I will not be watching a game. Me, I'm probably gonna play some video games, maybe take a nap, who knows, put away some laundry. I can think of a lot better things to be doing than watching the Super Bowl. So yeah, that kind of deal. So in my last video I had talked about dealer websites and how the Harley dealerships don't show prices on their websites to show how much a motorcycle is going to cost. They want you to call, you know, request information. So recently I did go out and go to a couple dealerships. I went and I looked at the Indian dealership and I went to a Harley dealership. And wow, let me tell you, shit ain't cheap. God damn, this shit ain't cheap. Yeah, I seen a couple nice, really nice bikes. Seen a couple road glides. Seen a Challenger, Chieftain. I'll throw some pictures in here of what I saw, and really, really nice bikes. Like my biggest thing is I really didn't talk to anybody at the Harley dealership. I was just looking around, sitting my ass on a bike or two here and there. But I did talk to some people at the Indian dealership, and yeah, of course they're trying to sell me on a Challenger with everything on it, blah blah blah. It's got a tour pack. Oh, I don't want a tour pack. Well, you know, once you get this Challenger, you're going to want to be traveling all over the place. Well, I haven't had the need to do that yet. I haven't had the need for all that space yet. So what the fuck makes you think I'm going to need it now? So that kind of turned me off. The other thing that turned me off was they had a 2022 Chieftain. That nice bike, okay? And on their website, which I looked at before I went up there to just see what they had in stock. On their website, they had this Chieftain listed for 22 and change. I'm like, all right, that's not too bad. I could live with that. Well, I get up there and I says to the woman, I said, you know, I was online, I seen this 2022 leftover Chieftain that was $22,000. And she says to me, yeah, well, we did some upgrades to it to try and get it to sell. So now this 2022 leftover is $27,000, almost $28,000. So I don't know, maybe it's me. Maybe you should put that price on the internet too. This way people don't waste their time going into that place looking for this $22,000 motorcycle. You know, maybe it's me. Yeah. So that's what I did. And I mean, at this point, I am in no hurry to buy. I'm going to wait till the temperature gets a little bit higher, gets a little bit warmer, and I'm going to go back to some of these dealers, or maybe even some different dealers, and I am going to test ride everything. You know, because apparently Indian and Harley let you test ride shit where a lot of metric dealerships do not. So that is what I am going to do. You know, unless a deal that I can't pass up falls into my lap, that is my plan. I'll hold up and I'll wait. I'm in no hurry. I got me a beautiful motorcycle right here that I can ride and ride and ride. So yeah, that's what's going on, pretty much. So, but before I go, I watched a video yesterday, and my boy Patrick, you guys might know him as Motor Ramblings. I want to congratulate him on his retirement. I know he's been talking about and looking forward to retirement for so long now, but he posted in yesterday's video that yesterday was actually his last day of work. Man, congratulations, bro. I'm jealous of you. And if you like this channel already, it's only going to get better from here, I believe. He'll have more time to edit, shoot, and do all that stuff. So if you don't know who he is, I'm gonna leave his link up here and down up here somewhere and down below in the description. But yeah, if you don't know who he is, if you don't follow him already, I highly recommend going over there and following him now. He rides a Goldwing, a bright yellow Goldwing. I think he said it's a 2013, 2012. I don't remember the year, but beautiful Goldwing, bright yellow, and he rides a V-Strom, so he can do all his off-road stuff. So seriously, if you haven't checked him out, go check him out. Tell him Goofy Bastard sent you. He's a real good guy. And like I said, I just want to congratulate him on his retirement. All right, my friends, this is where I'm going to end the video. So until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.